Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Bus Simulator Ultimate login problem. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is completely stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue gets resolved. You can also restart your router or simply turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again. This refreshes your network and often fixes temporary connection glitches. After checking your network, go ahead and open your phone's settings. Here, tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Inside the storage list, search for Bus Simulator Ultimate and tap on it. Now choose Offload app and confirm it again. Offloading helps free up space used by the app and clears the temporary cache that may be causing login errors. Once the app is offloaded, reinstall it by tapping the option on the same screen. Next, head back to your home screen and make sure the app is updated. Open the App Store and search for Bus Simulator Ultimate. If you see Update instead of Open, tap on Update and let the app upgrade to the latest version. Outdated versions often have bugs or failed login scripts that can easily cause this kind of issue. Once the app is updated, try switching your login method. For example, if you normally log in using Facebook or Google, try logging in as a guest just to enter the game. Sometimes your saved data automatically syncs once you're inside the app, regardless of the login method. If nothing works, uninstall Bus Simulator Ultimate completely. To do this, long press on the app and then select Remove App. Then tap Delete App and confirm it. After deleting it, restart your phone to clear background processes, then reinstall the app from the App Store. A fresh install often removes corrupted files that may be blocking your login. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Bus Simulator Ultimate login problem. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.